Ow. Oh, ow. Oh God, there's rocks there. Some of these rock rolls are sick.
Yeah. I was not expecting.
Oh, sick. Is that a drop? It is a drop.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Whoa.
Hello.
Okay, go high there.
Yeah, high line.
Yeah, my pedal just flipped that rock.
I saw that. Yep, the high line's the way to go here. Ow. Oh! Hello. Hey, dude. Oh! Oh, on your left.
All good?
You good? Yeah, it was a little gnarlier than it looked.
It wasn't that bad. It was just the instant you lose grip, you gotta fight to get it back. Yeah, Dennis saw me kick out.
Yeah. I was just, left or right?
I don't know. You guys want to look at this? Because I have no idea what this is.
I think it's just no. I think you just go. I would go left or right. It kind of looks like it. Uh-oh. Oh, this sucks. I don't know how I did it, Andre, but I did it. Oh, oh, the one rock got me at the end. Oh, that was like, I just let it go.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Chris.